In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move columns and rows in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, keeping your data organized is key to maintaining clarity and efficiency in your reports. Let's go through this step by step so you can streamline your workflow and make the most of QuickBooks. First, log into your QuickBooks account, head over to QuickBooks Online and click the Sign In button. On the next page, select QuickBooks Online. This is important because QuickBooks has multiple products, and today we're focusing on the online version. Enter your login credentials, your username and password, and click Continue. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to recover it right on the login page. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the Reports tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to all the data you'll need to access, modify, or present. Click on it to open the report section. Next, select the report you want to work with. With the report open, it's time to adjust your columns and rows. To resize or move columns, look for the small vertical line between each column header. Click and hold this line, then drag it left or right to adjust the width of the column. If you want to reorder the columns, click on the column header itself and drag it to the position you prefer. QuickBooks automatically saves these adjustments, so there's no need to manually save. The next time you open this report, your columns and rows will stay exactly where you left them. Taking the time to arrange your data efficiently not only improves readability, but also enhances how you interact with your reports. By following these steps, you're not just organizing data, you're making QuickBooks work better for you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks to make managing your finances even easier. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.